This is Epipremnum aureum, otherwise known as pothos, devil's ivy, or incorrectly, the money plant. It is an ubiquitous houseplant, known for its long creepers of golden splotched leaves. However, watch what happens when its aerial roots find a surface to latch onto. It abandons creeping and begins to shoot upwards, turning into something quite wondrous. Once in this growth form, the leaves begin to fenestrate, leading to people mistaking it for monstera. The plant's size is now only limited by how much space it has to climb.